All right, everyone, let's get started. Shake it out and begin with a light jog in place. Keep that energy up.
Keep your shoulders relaxed, keep your core tight. We're just warming up the body, getting the blood flowing.
Want to burn belly fat without equipment? Stay with me for the next 9 minutes. This will get you sweating fast.
And cyclone. Oh, which is a what now?
This is your recovery phase. Stay consistent. Keep going.
Put into the person cell. So make the check star. So den atefweding en makes in full man. So trim this when you can offer start.
Now slow down, recover for a moment, go fast again.
Add a twist to your jog. Rotate your upper body. Engage your abs.
Relax your body. You completed the workout. Great job today.
Now pick up your pace slightly. Stay steady and keep your core tight. This is your fat burning zone.
Let's go. High knees. Bring those legs up. Feel your core working and your heart rate rising.
Back to a light jog. Catch your breath, but don't stop moving. Active recovery is key.
Now push harder, short burst run. Give about 70 to 80% effort. This is where real fat burn happens.
Final push. Don't stop now. Give it everything you've got. Finish strong.